Camille,
Camille, and
Carlwin.
Halloween with your teacher.
Basa tayo dito.
Camille,
Camille,
Camille, and
Carlwin,
Carwin. Ay, ito.
Si Camille nga. Camille,
Camille and
Carlwin,
Carwin are cousins. One day, they went to the garden to harvest carrots.
Camille,
Camille and
Carlwin,
Carwin took the carrots and made carrot soup.
very good.
Circle the letter of the correct answer.
Ang question is, number 1.
And
Ito, who? Ito muna.
who are cousins?
Sino daw yung magpinsan? Who are cousins? A or B? Camille and Carwin or Carlos and Candy? Turo mo.
Camille and Carwin.
Camille and Carwin. Very good. What did Camille and Carwin?
Harvest.
Ano hinarvest nila? Corn, carrots, or cabbage?
Carrots.
Very good. What did Camille and Carwin cook? Cookies, carrot soup, or corn soup?
Carrot soup.
Very good.